What's up guys, welcome back to yet another vlog. I've been making a video for you guys in which I'm going to show you how one car changed my life and ruined it at the same time. But it was a huge process, so I think I have to do that video for you guys. But I hope you're going to enjoy it and you're going to enjoy this vlog. Before we start off, let's just check our oil level. That doesn't look so good. Now we let the car warm up. We let it warm up just as we open the gate, because I love to drive like that. I always want the car to be a little bit warm just before I leave or anything. But we have to top up on that oil, so we have to do something about that. Just try and get some gas and also a pint of oil, because I'm not safe with how it is. 100 kwacha. 100? Yes. I love it when water fits into the cup holder just like that. That's so crazy. And guys, I really wanted to say, but some car washes are really crazy. Like, I don't know, you pay so much money for service that's totally crap. I hate to give this to car wash businesses, but some of them are totally crap. Because the one that I took the car to last week, even though the car looked cleaner than it was, like the wheels weren't done properly, the boots and stuff wasn't cleaned up to par. I feel like I'm the only one that cleans the car exactly how I like it to be.
I want to sell you something after misguiding you. Because these cars, you know, only those people they get to understand. Yeah. It's not a car for us who are like you. It's a good mileage. The mileage temper. Mileage is
52,000.
Yeah, I'm a lover of Corvette only. I used to have a Corvette before. I like my Corvette only. Yeah. Because it remained parked for some time. That's why I told you, if you have a proper technician who can do it for you. Because I don't want to give these boys who don't know the job. They can fuck up.
I know you can't see me. Monio was trying to buy a 350Z, but we're now by Mike's. And I just thought I'd trade drift a bit. Even though I have to put these things. You don't want to come in? I thought you're coming in. You're scared?
I'll be outside.
No.
I think you need to cut bigger pieces.
Sunday, my road of Chitikazan. Big man, how are you?
Good, how are you? black car. You're the one who came with the bus last time, right?
Yeah.
Why can't you just buy me a BM?
Eh? What's proper? How do you pause this, Excel?
Man, I really enjoyed that video, though I didn't capture the very ending of it, but I really enjoyed because I and Monu went out for some Indian food, and I've never enjoyed Indian food as much as I did because it was kind of my first time. So that was really nice. And for you guys that pay attention when I'm speaking in the vlogs, I talked about putting out a video on how a car changed my life. That's already up. So yeah, I just hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.
Why can't you just buy me a BM?